Hi guys, didn't see you there. What's going on? Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing a part 2 of Strangers on Fiverr Retouch My Professional Photography. We did a part 1 and you guys really seemed to like it. Maybe just 2 of you guys, but you know, I appreciate that. I appreciate it. So for this one, we chose a portrait with speckled lighting of my friend Paulina, and she has some green eyeshadow. So using this portrait, we're gonna go ahead and contact some artists on Fiverr and have them retouch this portrait and see what they come up with. So let's get started, shall we? Just this picture alone. Again, you guys, look, you can tell that the before picture has been retouched and edited. The picture of this guy just looks like a straight up digital painting at this point. So someone wrote a comment about how I need to add in more instructions and stuff like that. I kind of want people to surprise me and just do their own thing, but I'm gonna give a little bit of direction this time. So I'm giving them 3 instructions: face retouching, color editing, and like some effects. So have fun with it, surprise me. You have 3 instructions here. I would hope that's pretty good. So we're going back to page 10. We're going to the back streets of this website. Shout out to Backstreet Boys and the 3 people that know what I'm talking about. This person looks pretty good. Okay, it looks like a woman's underwater, but also in the forest, but also in Legend of Zelda at the fairy fountain. That's, yeah, definitely my style. Wow, okay, yeah. This looks pretty good. Oh, that one? Kind of cryptic, but... And I'm gonna ask for the works. I mean, I want it to look like she's at the fairy fountain because she has like half of a heart left and she ate an acorn, but I didn't do anything, so. And we'll just let him have fun with it. I think he's gonna do a really cool job based on his portfolio. Definitely this guy has some eye-catching work. He literally added a whole makeup look to this girl. Like, where's ColourPop? You gotta hire this guy. Worthless, stupid. That's messed up. Why would you retouch that in? I just want something like this. I want it to look like she went to Mac and stayed there for 3 hours. This lady's gonna be me after I get my retouch. I'm gonna just be proudly showing it off. All right, so we just sent off our message and we placed our order. On to the next. This looks pretty promising, actually. His work seems pretty good. You know, clean retouching. Nice, okay. I think I'm gonna take a chance on this guy. But his premium package is $50. You guys know that unless it's pizza, I don't have that kind of money. So I'm doing the $10 standard medium package, which includes medium cleanup, medium color correction, medium. I don't even know what the medium really means. Like, are you gonna go halfway only? Like, who knows? Let's just select that. I'm not gonna get this picture, am I? Okay. Let's just pick another person. Can I get a refund? This girl looks like she does a very clean retouch. I'm kind of interested to see what she would do with my picture. I kind of want to see what she's gonna come up with, so we're gonna continue with our fellow Canadian. I think she's gonna do a great job. Like, I can already tell. So we're out to find the last retoucher. She might do an interesting job on this one, actually. Did she really edit this picture? Am I gonna find out on Pinterest? I mean, this backpack looks wrinkle-free. It's a good-looking backpack. Okay, imagine it's that same girl from last time. She has a 3rd account. The last video, I ordered a retouch from 2 different accounts, and they actually sent me the same picture, so I was just assuming that it's the same person, but they have 2 different accounts. So I'm thinking, like, is this girl number 3? Could there be more accounts out there? Let's continue with the logo expert queen. All right, guys, so we have 6 people on our payroll. This could go every which way, and I'm ready. So I'm gonna be waiting for everyone to send me theirs, and I'll get back to you guys when we get them. Bye. It's been a couple days. Let's see what we got. Now, before we see the Fiverr retouches, you guys asked to see how I would have retouched this picture. So I'm gonna pull it up right here so you guys can see what my edit would look like. And then we're gonna be comparing the Fiverr retouches to my own edit and then to the original. Did Santa Claus just come down my chimney, eat my food and bounce? Or did he at least leave a gift card? Did he leave wood, at least, for the fireplace? Because I think that's when he crashed down there. He probably ruined it. So it would have been nice for him to leave something. Let's find out right now. Watermarked image, okay. The thumbnail looks promising. Let's see this. There's a watermark. Okay, that's the first thing. I didn't even look at the picture. I'm like, oh, okay, watermark. Yeah, looks good. This guy's making up a name for me. He named this Jesse. I don't know who that is. I don't understand why you would watermark this. It's my picture, like I sent it to you. We have to take like a pop quiz right now. This is awkward. I'm just gonna skip this. Let's do the comparison. So original, and that's his retouch. He made her arm smaller. Okay. So the hair cleanup seems completely random. He cleaned up this little area where there was hair, but then there's hair up here, which he didn't even touch. So I just feel like it was just kind of like, hey, I did something. Like I cleaned up one strand of hair. A more accurate description of the retouching would have been like, hey, we only clean up a single strand of hair, so make sure to tell us which one it is. And then he like patched up some of the wall. Like I said, this is so like I need a microscope to see some of these changes. The face retouch is a little messy. You can still see blemishes. You can still see the patchiness. So I just feel like the blur tool was involved. Gaussian blur was definitely an accomplice in this crime, if you know what I'm saying. I like the fact that he made the eyeshadow pop. He cleaned up, you know, the lip area. The lip area is looking good. It's looking shimmery and sparkly. I mean, I would buy this lip gloss. I mean, if you zoom it all the way out, the retouch looks good. 10 out of 10. You get closer though, that's when it falls apart. I want to give it like a 3.5. That's fair. You know, during a family gathering, there's always that one person that pretends like they're working, like they just pick up a plate and put it in another area to make it seem like, oh, I'm getting up and doing stuff. That's kind of what this is. It's all about appearances. I feel like he did more retouching to the pot and the walls than he did to my picture, like the actual model. The pot retouch, I would give it a 10. It's beautiful. He made it shine. I mean, this pot's looking like it's on vacation in Italy. Okay, so logo expert queen. This girl's making me nervous. She has like a 5-point like guideline before I can even like open this. Okay, leave me alone. Okay, leave me alone. I don't want to. This is annoying. Like, what did they do? Did they change the whole website? That's kind of cute. That lipstick color. Okay, how do I... She sent me like 3 of them. I'm kind of confused which... They sent me so many. All right, so that's her first edit. The retouching was not done well at all. Even over here in this area, you can just see that was not cleaned up. Again, Gaussian, people are out here abusing Gaussian blur and dust and scratches. It's like a bad contour. So the next edit she did is this bubblegum pink lip color. I love the lip color, I'm not gonna lie. Everything else, it's so random. The color toning is just boring. I appreciate the fact that she color corrected it, like white balanced it a little bit, but it's very boring. Between the two, just both of them seem like they were edited by 2 different people. The bubblegum pink, like Britney Spears look, I kind of like more because at least there was a little more thought put into the coloring. Again, just small little, like micro retouches. She pushed in her cheek a little bit. And I would give this I don't even know, a 3, a 2? I don't know at this point. All right, so let's check out Russell's picture. Wow, okay. I think you guys are gonna be shocked by my reaction. Let me download this, hold on. Cause I don't know, this one's interesting. This one's interesting. I think I spoke to, okay, I did. I don't know, I had that reaction, but it looked fine in the preview. So I was thinking this wasn't gonna be too bad, but then when I'm comparing it to the original, and again, there's no color editing at all, and that's the one thing, like I really just wanna see literally one curves layer. Give me a hue saturation, set to +1. Anything, anything. I think that's where I'm just getting a little like bored of just seeing like a face retouch. Let's see the face retouching. Wow, he really used this blur tool religiously. All right, so this kind of reminds me of the photo machines in Japan that you go and you take the pictures and they blur your skin to make you look like you're 10 years old and you're a doll. What's there to say? She has no pores. She has no problems. No pores, no problems. She's living the life. Again, that was literally all that was done. Just a blur to the skin. He blurred the pots too. God bless, thank you. Everyone out here is retouching the plants in the background more than the model herself. Okay, but good job, it looks great. He's over here giving the supermodel touch to those plants in the back. I'm gonna submit this to Vogue Italia, get those plants contracts. Like, if I wanna be realistic, at least the skin is blended in this one. Even though the blur, he probably used it at like 1,000%. It blends, it's blended. It transitions, yeah. If you resize this and you post it to Facebook, you're gonna get a lot of shares. The more I look at it, actually, I don't really mind. I wish my skin was like this. It's lowering my self-esteem, which means it's good. Before we open this next one, let's just all take a second and say a quick prayer and hope that the next person added at least one adjustment layer or literally just bumped up the exposure like 0.1. Any adjustment layer in any program. I don't care if you took it into Facetune. I don't care what it is. If you took it into the photo edit on your camera app and your iPhone, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just looking for anything at this point. Okay, so, ooh, okay, yes. This is exactly what I wanted. You never disappoint, thank you. I mean, he literally added in a lens flare. I'm giving you a 10, just because of the lens flare. Why did he send me this? This is kind of weird. Okay. Does he know he's messaging me all this? Yes, finally someone shows me some kind of adjustment layer. Thank you. That's all I wanted. Is that so much? Even though it's all over the place, like literally nothing matches, I appreciate this. So he added a vignette. You see like a lens flare only on one, like it's like a halo from the heavens above. Who answered our prayers. They added this halo. All right, if I'm being 100% realistic, listen, this edit is all over the place. It's not very clean, but he did something. He like cleaned up like a couple spots. So listen, he spent so much time doing the background. Can you even blame the guy? He had a lot of work to do. If you really think about it, he really did follow the instructions. He added an effect, he retouched it, and he did some color toning. So because of that, because he actually followed the instructions, even though it's a questionable retouch at best, I'm gonna give this one like a 3.5. Status is late, so we have our first non-delivery. Have something to share with Freelance Bae? Where is it? Recent delivery was 2 months ago. Okay, say no more. All right, let's just cancel that one. I love how they're like, we know this isn't what you expected. That's usually me when I socialize with people. I'm like, I didn't really want this. Let's go on over to the last one. Is the picture like not finished loading? Because it looks kind of blurry. Oh, is it not clear? It looks a little low res to me. It looks like dust and scratches because you can't see any of the detail, like the sharpness of the photo is all gone. But I'm gonna tell you guys, the skin retouch is the best one that we've seen. I want to give him an A for this. I know some of you guys are gonna be shocked, like Jessica, like I know you guys, but we're comparing it to all the other retouches, and this one has to be the best. The only thing I'm gonna say is like this gradient that he added is just, it's ugly. there's no sugarcoating it. I don't know how I feel about the blurriness of the picture. I wish he wouldn't have added this gradient. I think it just muddied the picture. Like, I don't know what planet she's on, but the sun is not green on planet Earth. and then the back of it isn't purple. Maybe, I don't know, maybe she's on 2 different planets. So I'm gonna give this one, I'm gonna surprise people by giving this one like a 6. One thing I noticed also is he added like a white dot here for some reason. Maybe it's a speck of dust from the planet that she's on, because it's not Earth. So let's do a quick recap and look at all of the retouches at once. All right guys, so what did you think? How were these retouches the second time around? So let me know what you guys think of the pictures. Who do you guys think did the best job? Do you guys agree with my rating? Do you guys think like I missed something? Let me know down below in the comments. And as always, I would love to thank you guys for watching, and I want to thank all of the artists on Fiverr for retouching my picture. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video.